Everyone, Chelsea here, and in this video, I'm going to be speaking about migration inside of ServiceNow. So you can do this through what's called update sets. So for example, in ServiceNow, you have different application scopes. An application scope protects the application. It helps to identify, restrict access to data or artifacts. And applications developed prior to the application scoping. There's global scope, which makes it universal for all the people. There's also custom applications and private scopes too. So you can work on a private scope, and this will help you to make sure the data is correct before it goes global, for example. But this can be utilized when you're moving different things from one to another source. And to move something from like development to production, you use what's called update sets. So an update set is a group of configuration changes that can be moved from one instance to another. This allows admins to group a series of changes into a name and then move them as an entire unit. And every instance in ServiceNow has a default update set. However, admin should use named update sets between moving customizations between different instances. So you can develop things and customize them with like JavaScript or other things on your own instance. And then that can be moved once everything's approved, can be moved then to production. It could be moved to a different instance stage, and that is called update sets on the move. So some things to keep in mind for an update set: you cannot move data records. So data records can't be moved, tasks can't be moved, new users or groups can't be moved, or dashboards, they can't be moved. But like things like business rules, client scripts, UI policies, fields, tables, views, list configuration, roles, etc., those can be moved, but keep in mind, data cannot be moved in an update set. So when applying an update set, you can go to navigate to the all system update sets and then retrieved update set. You can click on import update set from XML, like if you have an XML file, or you can choose a file to upload. So you'll go to this section. You can see here, you can select new, can choose a file. It'll show you when it's updated. So it shows the status of like, hey, we retrieved this file, we previewed it, it's committed. And you can see that status throughout when you're using an update set. So if you need to retrieve from a remote instance, in the production area, you just navigate to the all systems update sets, update source, and you can select the development instance with the completed update set that you want to go ahead and commit. So for example, you can see this is a new remote instant record. Well, you can add in, you see the URL, the user password, and you just need to establish connectivity between the production instance that you will use to retrieve the update set. So it's all system update sets, update source, and then new to create a new one. When you update an update set as well, you can also export it. So it'll let you know when it's complete, which is nice. They have a state section and it'll go ahead and update to complete. But you want to open the update set record, change the state to set it to complete, and you can also then export it as well. So if you're moving things around from things to a whole nother instance, it can be exported as well. So then you can import it into another instance. But that is about update sets, how to utilize them inside of ServiceNow, and what it is.